Today, the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs officials, led by the Permanent Secretary Robert Kasande, made an appearance before the Parliamentary Public Accounts Committee (PAC).
The Ministry fully implemented 69.
During the discussion, it was discovered that the ministry has over 70 human rights compensation awards, unappreciated due to the ministry's inability to access the contact information of the people. This raised the concern with MPs criticizing the ministry, as some cases are projecting from over 8 years ago.
Having moved for a period of time, somebody wins a case, they need to be compensated, and we take 2 to 10 years without paying them, claiming that we don't have their details. You don't have a phone contact. You don't have a phone contact, and you've told us it is small money, but we are looking at 40 million here, 34 million to a common person. That is a lot of money.
Until somebody, his case is heard and concluded and awarded, he can't be in a virtual space. He's known, he has appeared before the Human Rights Commission. That's where you pick it from.
Forming this committee that you have been advertising and none is seen is not true. We cannot.
What informs his planning at the budget that he gets for this compensation of these people if he does not have the figures and the details about these people? How does he generate the budget and the amount that is given to the ministry?
Because in Mobende, we have a case of those people who were chased away from that land which was issued to Kaweli Coffee farmers, Kaweli Coffee, that company. And they also got an award which has since not been effected. It is so many years.
There's a case which was won in 2004. Okay, there are men of 2004, 2003, 2005. All those years, you said these are smaller ones, we pay 200 billion and the rest below, but these ones of many years have never been advertised, and you have never put them in the papers.
In a bid to explain the cause of this loophole, the ministry noted that some cases are handed over to them by Uganda Human Rights Commission, which works directly with the complainants.
You have these complainants who go before the Uganda Human Rights Commission, the tribunal. So while they are there, the proceedings are facilitated by the commission itself. The commission is the one that gives them transport, gives them everything that they want for them to pursue their cases. So they serve the complaint on us. When they serve the complaint on us, that's when we carry on some investigation. We write to our clients, mainly the police and defense, to give us the facts of what happened. Then the trial commences. So when an award is given to the complainant, Human Rights Commission writes to us and says, this is the award, go ahead and do what? And satisfy the award. But the information, the details of the complainant, we do not have it. Unlike the other cases, the ordinary civil suits where the person is represented by a lawyer, these ones are self-represented. When the person is represented by the lawyer, you write to the lawyer. So for most of these, they come, we advertise. When we are going to pay, the ones that come, we pay them.
Is we are trying to solicit the support of the Uganda Human Rights Commission, because many times they know these awardees.
Despite the explanation, the committee members faulted the ministry, seeking a submission of the names of the over 70 beneficiaries.
I would request that he gives us the whole list of these details, but also for purposes of improving in systems, you need to see how to have detailed information right from the start of some of these cases, because how do you conclude a case?
You also put now the outstanding